So guys, when you are trying to download the Atomic wallet, I mean this wallet that you are seeing over here, this Atomic wallet, when you are trying to download this wallet on your phone and it's not downloading, or it says that, or it tells you that it's not available in your country or in your region, then this means there's a problem with it. But I'm going to fix that problem in this video, so don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends. It's really important. You can also subscribe to support me on this platform. So first of all, let me launch to my Google Play Store for you to see something. Then after that, we search in for Atomic wallet. So as you can see over here, this is what they are saying. It says looking for Bitcoin wallet, crypto, Ethereum. This app isn't available on Google Play Store in your region. Do you get me? So it's not available in my country. That's what I mean. And I'm in Ghana, here in Africa. So if you are not able to download this, then I'm going to show you a simple way for you to get this app on your phone. So first of all, you just have to wipe it away. Then you launch to your Google Chrome. So you have to launch to your Google Chrome. So I think it's at the top. Yes, you tap on the Google Chrome. Then next, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar. Then you search download Atomic wallet. So as you can see over here, you have to search for this, download Atomic wallet. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar over here, tap on enter, and you're going to see this. So you're going to see this. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Please look at it well. It is atomicwallet.io, not .com. Don't go and type on atomicwallet.com, or else you're going to get scammed. Please watch this carefully. Tap on it, atomicwallet.io. So just look at it. Just look at it. It's really important over here. I don't want you to comment that this is a fraud website or what. You have to just look at it well. This is it. So tap on it. So immediately tap on it, then you select the wallet that you want to use. I'm using Chrome for this video. You can use Brave, you can use Yanks, you can use any of these browsers, Opera Mini, but I'm going to use Google Chrome because I really trust Google. So as you can see, when you get to this point, what you have to do is you have to select one of this. So if you are using an Android phone, you have to select this. If you are using an Apple device, you have to select this. And if you don't want to download it from Play Store, but on their website, you have to choose this when you are using an Android phone. And also you have to choose Windows when you are using a PC. Windows, you have to choose the Mac when you are using a Mac, and there's a lot. Do you get me? So choose the one that you prefer. So with this video, I'm going to prefer, or I'm going to choose or recommend Google Play Store to all Android users. So tap on Google Play Store. So when you tap on the Google Play Store, it's going to load and give you the app. So this is how to download it. So as you can see, I already have it on my phone. So you're gonna see updates and also uninstall over here. So if you have not downloaded it, you are going to see install. You are going to see this. You're going to see install. Do you get me? So then you tap on this install over here. Do you get me? You have to tap on the install button and install it. So after installing it, you're going to see it on your device successfully, as you can see mine over here. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.